When the world sleeps, a farmer begins his day. Not in a climate-controlled office, not under the soft glow of a desk lamp, but under the vast, open sky, with the cool pre-dawn air as his only companion. This is where a story of resilience begins, long before the first ray of sun touches the horizon. It's a life tied not to a clock, but to the rhythms of the earth, a commitment that starts while most of us are still dreaming. A farmer's life is a story written in sweat and soil. Each day presents a new chapter in an ongoing battle against the elements. Imagine the relentless sun beating down, the earth cracking beneath your feet, and the uncertainty of whether the rains will come. It's a physical grind, a constant push and pull with nature. The days are long, the labor is hard, and the rewards are never guaranteed. We often hear about market fluctuations and rising costs, but for a farmer, these aren't just headlines. They're heavy burdens that can decide the fate of an entire year's work. The pressure of loans, the fear of a bad season, the sting of loss, these are realities they face head-on. Yet, despite it all, with unwavering determination, he returns to the field every single day. Failures don't break him. They carve lines of wisdom on his face and teach him a profound patience that few of us will ever truly understand. This life is a masterclass in sacrifice and faith. Think about the simple comforts we take for granted: a steady income, a predictable schedule, a roof that doesn't leak during a storm. A farmer often forgoes these securities, not for personal gain, but so that others can have food on their tables. He puts his trust in forces beyond his control, the soil beneath his feet, the unpredictable seasons, and for many, a higher power. There are moments of quiet desperation, when the clouds gather but refuse to rain, or when they burst open with too much force, threatening to wash away months of hard work. In those silent, anxious moments, a farmer prays. Not for wealth, not for fame, but for a good harvest. It's a humble, powerful plea for the survival of his crops, his family, and the community he helps to feed. This is where hope is cultivated slowly, quietly, but surely. And then, after months of toil and uncertainty, comes the moment of triumph. The fields, once barren, now ripple with waves of gold. The air is thick with the scent of ripened grain. This is the harvest. It's more than just food, it's victory. It's the tangible result of every drop of sweat, every sleepless night, every prayer whispered into the wind. You can see it in the tired but proud smile on the farmer's face, a smile shared by his family. This success story may never trend on social media. It may not make the evening news, but its impact is felt in every home, on every plate. It's a quiet, monumental achievement that feeds millions and sustains the very fabric of our society. As the sun sets, casting a warm, golden glow over the land he has nurtured, we see the truth. A farmer is not just a worker. He is a custodian of the earth, a provider for humanity, the silent, sturdy backbone of civilization itself. His hands may be rough, but they build the foundation of our future. Let's remember to respect farmers, to support them in any way we can. Because a world with no farmers is a world with no food, and a world with no food is a world with no future. If this story touched your heart, please show your support. Like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel. Let's work together to make sure the world never forgets its real heroes. Thank you for watching.